Do you feel healthy? Do you feel healthy?
Yes, I feel good. Yes, I feel good.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week. Yes, 3 times a week.
Do you eat vegetables every day? Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I love salads. Yes, I love salads.
Do you drink enough water? Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 2 liters a day. Yes, I drink 2 liters a day.
Do you sleep well at night? Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, about 7 hours. Yes, about 7 hours.
Do you go to the doctor often? Do you go to the doctor often?
No, only when necessary. No, only when necessary.
Do you take vitamins? Do you take vitamins?
Yes, especially vitamin C. Yes, especially vitamin C.
Do you go jogging? Do you go jogging?
Yes, on Sundays. Yes, on Sundays.
How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep 7-8 hours. I sleep 7-8 hours.
Do you avoid junk food? Do you avoid junk food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy. Yes, I try to eat healthy.
Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
No, I never smoke. No, I never smoke.
Do you drink alcohol? Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink. No, I don't drink.
Do you meditate? Do you meditate?
Sometimes, for relaxation. Sometimes, for relaxation.
Do you feel tired in the morning? Do you feel tired in the morning?
Yes, when I go to bed late. Yes, when I go to bed late.
Do you eat fruits every day? Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, apples and bananas. Yes, apples and bananas.
What do you do when you're sick? What do you do when you're sick?
I rest and drink tea. I rest and drink tea.
Do you stay in bed when you have a cold? Do you stay in bed when you have a cold?
Yes, I stay in bed. Yes, I stay in bed.
Do you have allergies? Do you have allergies?
Yes, to dust. Yes, to dust.
Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine?
Yes, when I'm sick. Yes, when I'm sick.
Do you visit the dentist? Do you visit the dentist?
Yes, twice a year. Yes, twice a year.
Do you have good vision? Do you have good vision?
Yes, I see clearly. Yes, I see clearly.
Do you do yoga? Do you do yoga?
Not yet, but I want to try. Not yet, but I want to try.
How often do you get sick? How often do you get sick?
Not very often. Not very often.
Do you feel stressed? Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes during exams. Sometimes during exams.
Do you go for a walk every day? Do you go for a walk every day?
Yes, in the evening. Yes, in the evening.
Do you take care of your mental health? Do you take care of your mental health?
Yes, it's important. Yes, it's important.
Do you feel relaxed on weekends? Do you feel relaxed on weekends?
Yes, I feel better. Yes, I feel better.
Do you stretch in the morning? Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, to feel fresh. Yes, to feel fresh.
Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, it gives me energy. Yes, it gives me energy.
Do you feel happy most of the time? Do you feel happy most of the time?
Yes, I'm a positive person. Yes, I'm a positive person.